The Industrial Revolution began in the early 19th century, and with it, many machines such as the steam engine were brought to life. Over 200 years later, machines no longer need manpower to operate. This is because they can operate by themselves and they can last for longer periods. But how does this benefit technology in the future? Will there be enough jobs for human beings? And how has automation helped us since it first began? To find out more, watch this video. Hey guys, I'm MJ Sanga, the creative engineer. Now you may be wondering, what is automation? To simply put it, it's the use of many forms of technology added to machines in order for them to achieve outcomes with minimal human input. It's creating a self-operating machine that will only need human effort, maybe at the beginning or end of the process. For example, let's say we're manufacturing bottles, and when the bottle is completely manufactured and assembled, we put it on a pulley and move it from one position to another, and at the end position there's a box which will package the same bottle. Now let's say we would like to automate the system of moving the bottle from position A to position B. With the addition of technology and programming, we can set a fixed distance that can allow the assembled bottle to move from position A to position B. Then, with the addition of the other technology, such as, let's say, a robotic arm, the assembled bottle can then be moved into a box, allowing the rest of the other assembled bottles to move from position A to position B. Well, that's just a summary of how automation works, but I hope you understand the gist of it. Now, the term automation became popular in the 1940s. One thing that caused its popularity was when Ford created an automation department for its automobiles. However, the concept of automation started way earlier. As the Industrial Revolution was reaching its peak, more machines were being made and used in the manufacturing industry, and business owners realized that it is possible for many of these machines to perform more tasks as workers without the need of human labor. This in turn reduced safety risks and in the long run put more money in their pockets. The earliest form of industrial automation was with the steam engine. This is because it could be used in machines such as mills, cranes, and locomotives. This gave manufacturers new methods of production that allowed certain aspects of their business to run for themselves. Moving into the early 1900s, steam power gave way to electronic machines. And because of war and development of technology in the late 20th century, the advancements of electronic machines gave way for automation to actually be a thing. As we move further into the 21st century, machines are getting a lot faster and smarter. Because of this, many companies are using automation in their manufacturing processes. This creates the automotive industry. But don't get me wrong, automation actually started in the 1980s, but it's been so effective that it's been used till today, and it's improved over the years. Because of the advancements in technology, automation has been split into 4 types. The first one, we have fixed automation. With fixed automations, machines are designed to do a single task repeatedly. These are mostly used for discrete mass production or continuous flow systems. We can give an example of fixed automation in an auto manufacturing industry, where we have a conveyor belt that moves boxes from point A to point B. At number 2, we have programmable automation. In this type of automation, systems are controlled by commands given to them by a computer program. Because of this, automated processes can vary based on the instructions sent to the computer by the designer's code. Programmable automation is commonly used in settings where similar items are produced using the same automated steps and tools. For example, paper and steel rolling mills use the same steps to create different products. At number 3, we have flexible automation. Flexible automation is typically used in batch processes with a variety of products. Each piece of equipment is given instructions for a computer operated by a human. So changing code can be delivered to the computer, allowing more flexible production. The advantage of flexible automation is that the product changeovers occur quickly and automatically. This eliminates the extra time required to reconfigure the equipment between batches. The type of industries that use this type of automation are textile manufacturers, food processing manufacturers, and paint processing manufacturers. And lastly, we have integrated automation. Integrated automation systems involve totally automating the manufacturing plants with minimal human involvement. Computers can be used to design the parts, test the completed designs, and then fabricate new parts. Integrated automation can be used with continuous process manufacturing and batch process manufacturing. These type of automations do have their strengths and weaknesses, but they are useful in many and various types of manufacturing fields. Automation is so effective and has many advantages. For example, it can accomplish processes that can be done manually. IT automation tools allow you to do a wide variety of things that simply can be done manually. For example, provisioning and deploying environments manually can be time-consuming and requires highly skilled and hands-on knowledge. Aside from the advantage of automation, why don't you give me an advantage by hitting the subscribe button so that I can reach 1,000 subscribers? It won't hurt, won't it? And if you really like this video, please hit the like button. Another advantage is that it can eliminate errors and risk associated with routine tasks. Automation is the key element in implementing a successful strategy. This is because it improves consistency, repeatability, and variability throughout your operations. By reducing human error in common daily tasks, automation gives you predictable and repeatable processes. Because of this, you'll be able to manage configurations to improve consistency, speed changes, and increase uptime. Automation has so many advantages, and if we were to name them, this video would probably be an hour. At the moment, organizations embrace and adopt an automation-first culture. This is because it saves time and money, and it gives them more time to focus on higher strategic initiatives. Now, it may be true that over the years, automation has rendered some jobs useless. However, automation does give an opportunity for people to learn new skills and even get better jobs. For example, you can learn and improve your skills to become an automation engineer. This allows you to improve technology, manufacturing processes, as well as automation control systems, if needed. Automation won't really take all the jobs, but if it does take yours, you have an opportunity to learn new skills so that you can go higher than you are right now. And one thing that can help you elevate more is by learning and watching videos. If you want to learn about robotics, you can click the link right here. Or if you want to learn about electric motors, you can click the other link right here. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated, hit the bell icon as well. I hope to see you again later in my upcoming videos. Have a great day.